All right, gotta tell you how real it is, right? I tell you, I be on my smoothie game heavy. It is not a game. I'll show you what's going on. See, I'm down the road at a family little get together, you know what I'm saying? But I'm like, nah, I don't want no breakfast. I don't want no lunch, because you know me, I be fasting. I be doing what I do, you know what I'm saying? But when I come through though, you know what I'm saying? You know me, I ain't like everybody else, you know what I'm saying? Be all health conscious, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't play with my supplements. I don't play with my life, you know what I'm saying? You see how I'm rolling. It ain't a game. Got all that. I'm ready. I'm always ready. It's not a game. Listen, so people gonna come to your house, you know what I'm saying? They want to bring liquor. They want to bring they want to bring the little sweet buns and all. Nah, homie. Nah, it's not how we moving out here. When I roll through, this how I'm moving. I come through with the big thing of, I'm just bringing a gallon of fruit. I'm bringing the whole gallon of smoothie. You know what I'm saying? And I got the CMOS ready. It is not a game. Got the CMOS shots. Shots. It's not a game. It's all about health. Stop playing games. I'm putting some of this in. Matter of fact, I ain't putting none of that in there. I'm getting this one right here. Hold on. This going up in here. That's what the big ass scoop for. It's not a game. And I'm bringing the CMOS shots. It's not a game. I'm bringing the whole picture. I'm blending this up. I'm putting the cap on it, and I'm rolling back down the block like this. Rolling up in there with smoothie. Everybody get a smoothie. No liquor, no pancakes, none of that. We eating healthy. It's not a game. I'm bringing something for the whole fam. That's what it is. Get your mind right. Get your health right. Stop playing games with yourself. Stop playing games with your family. You know what I'm saying? If you giving your kids cheese doodles and juices, you don't love them kids. You know what I'm saying? If you giving your homie, your cousin, your sister a shot of liquor, you don't love your family. You know what I'm saying? Give them something healthy. Give them something real. 92 minerals. Pow. Your body needs that. Zinc, magnesium, iodine, all that. Yeah. Fruits, you know what it is. Antioxidants, all that. Stop playing games with your life. Let's get it. Yeah. So you know it ain't a game. When you roll up with your shots, that's all you got to do. Look, you scoop it out, you take that shot. That's how we doing it. 2021, that's how we doing it. We taking shots of CMOS. Straight to the dome. Facts. RadarPlusNutrition.com. CMOS shots. In the smoothie, I told you, it's not all that. It's not a game. Let's get it. We're gonna blend this up. All right, so what we working with at the moment, we got some blueberries. We got blueberries. We got the 3-berry blend, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, and we got the what's this called again? Got the mango chunks. You know what it is. Mango chunks. Yeah. Everybody like mango. You know what I'm saying? That's not ice cream right there. That's CMOS. Get it right. Get it straight. Don't get it confused. Got the water. You don't put no tap water in your joint. You know what I'm saying? You don't need that. No tap water. None of that. We're going to get this right. All right. Where's my top? Matter of fact, we're going to go crazy. I don't need a top. Yeah. Oh, it's not. Wait. Yeah. All right. Cut the power on always, people. You can't do nothing without power. Look, no towel. All right, I gotta calm down. I gotta add some more water. And I gotta put this damn top on here. Let me stop playing and do what I gotta do. Salute, people. So if you thought it was a game, it is not a game. But the only difference is, you see Nikki got hers, she rolling, she good. The only thing is I decided, I'm keeping this for me, I'm thirsty. It's all me right here. It's fit right comfortably in my hand, I'm good. They gonna have to get their own, I don't know about that. But yeah, we out, we rolling, let's go. Yeah!